Tucson, Arizona, one of the oldest continuously inhabited places in North America, and once home to nuclear missiles aimed across the globe. How did this desert city come to hold such a complex history? Long before Arizona was a state, or even a territory, the Santa Cruz River made this valley a natural home. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples farmed corn, beans, and squash along its banks. Archaeologists have traced continuous settlement here back over 4,000 years. To put that in perspective, that makes Tucson older than many famous world cities like Rome or Athens. It's a story of survival and ingenuity, written in the desert soil. In 1775, Spanish soldiers built the Presidio San Agustín del Tucson, a fortress that officially marked the city's founding in the eyes of the Spanish Empire. For decades, it was a remote outpost on the northern frontier. After Mexico won its independence, Tucson became part of Mexico. But that changed with the Gadsden Purchase in 1854, which brought the city and surrounding lands into United States territory. Its key location on major trade routes soon made it a bustling hub for ranchers, miners, and merchants shaping the American West. Just a few miles south, the Mission San Xavier del Bac, founded in the late 1600s, still stands as a testament to this era. Known as the White Dove of the Desert, its stunning architecture is a beautiful blend of indigenous artistry and Spanish Baroque design. This landmark perfectly reflects Tucson's layered cultural heritage, a fusion of faiths and traditions that continues to define the city today. Tucson's strategic position also made it a military stronghold for centuries. From frontier conflicts in the 1800s to major training bases during World War II, the city has long been tied to national defense. That legacy continues with Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, which not only houses a massive fleet of aircraft, but also serves as one of the region's largest employers, linking Tucson's present to its military past. But perhaps Tucson's most surprising military chapter came during the Cold War. In the 1960s, a ring of 18 Titan II missile silos was built in the desert surrounding the city. Deep underground, each silo held an intercontinental ballistic missile armed with a powerful nuclear warhead, capable of reaching targets halfway across the globe in just 30 minutes. For decades, Tucson lived quietly on the front lines of nuclear deterrence. Today, only one of these sites remains, preserved as the Titan Missile Museum, a chilling, unforgettable reminder of how close the world came to the brink. From ancient farmers to Spanish missionaries, from frontier soldiers to Cold War missileers, the story of Tucson is a journey through time. Today, it's known for its world-class university, its stunning Sonoran desert landscapes, and a vibrant arts and food scene. But beneath the surface of this modern city lies a history deeper and more dramatic than many realize, all converging in this one incredible desert valley. From 4,000 years of settlement to the nuclear age, Tucson's history is bigger than the desert itself. Which chapter of its story surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden histories.